Hi, I'm Jane. Welcome back. I'm finally going to get some winter sewing done today. So just a quick life update. I injured my back and I have been dealing with sciatic pain shooting down my right leg for 6 weeks. I'm waiting for an MRI and it's not very fun, but I'm finally going to get some winter sewing done today. So come along, let's have some fun. Here's my winter sewing setup. I have some containers that I'll cut in just a second. I love using my fancy soup ladle that I have deemed garden, kitchen knife, a garden marker that won't fade, and then inside this I have some seeds. So let me start by cutting these. And you could use tons of different containers. This is just what I have right now. I also like this setup because I like to make my soil very wet and then it just drains in here. I'm inside my sunroom. Okay, so I've cut them. I have 4 drainage holes and I've cut with a hinge. This is your traditional winter sewing. I've done it with lots of different containers. Also, you can go check out those videos. I love to make my potting soil nice and soupy. I live in Utah, very dry where I live, and I just like starting with the really wet soil. One thing that is different in my climate than it is in a lot of different climates for winter sowing, I want it even wetter actually, let me go get some more water, is that we do not have enough moisture. So when it comes time to water these, we are watering once a week, and a lot of the times we're putting water in a bottom container and we're putting it in the container to soak up the water from the bottom. I have lots of videos on that also, and I will keep explaining that through the season. Before things get super wet, I like to label. But I just got these seeds from a sweet lady local to me. Thank you, Paulette. She even brought them to me. That was kind. And I like to put the date on there, and I like to say potting soil because I do a lot of experimenting with layering. My sweet boy just gave me some water so I can make it even soupier. Let me show you what I mean. If you're not in Utah, you don't really have to make it this soupy. One good thing about pre-moistening any type of soil is that the seeds stick to it better. Alright, that looks better to me. So now what I do, alright, now I just fill to about half full. Okay, so that's the red yarrow that I got from Paulette. Thank you. I'm going to put half in this side and half in this side. And the one thing I forgot to mention is you do need duct tape. So we're going to shut these, duct tape them out, and then my sweet boy is going to run them outside for me. Okay, they're ready to go outside. And 2 is as much as I can handle with my back pain. So I will just do 2 at a time until I have a whole bunch out there. Just keep on a-trucking. Keep dumping more in there. More soil, more soil. I need more soil. Always more soil. Thanks, buddy.
I think that's enough.
Just some advice. Don't sneeze when you have a back injury. See you later. Bye.